Yo, what's up, everybody? So I'm here with my car, right? But maybe it shouldn't be my car. I'm thinking about selling it. I'm sorry, girl. Uh, I never thought I'd say that this soon. I love her so much, but she was just hit in an accident, and I mean, she drives fine. I drove it down to Florida. I drove it back about 2,000 miles, and she drove great. But at the same time, like it's about $2,000 deductible. And I'm thinking maybe I should just put that in a new car and just finance the difference right now. And I'm thinking maybe a CLS 63, maybe a G-Wagon, like maybe a 55 or a 63. But I'm thinking a G55 would be pretty cool. So anyway, I want to hear your thoughts, man. Should I sell this car? Should I not? Let me show you the damage real quick. And do you think I should go with a 63? It's a tough question because they're pretty fast, especially the S. I'm thinking about 2014 S. But yo, this is it. Can you see this? I was turning. I'm a pretty safe driver, to be honest. So I look, that way, then that way, then that way. And as I'm doing that, like my first look, and then I look back right. I'm turning while I look that way, turning left, and then I look back, and this girl is right on top of me. Oh my gosh, she was so angry, and she didn't have insurance, man. So honestly, I probably would have handled it differently if she wasn't really, I don't know. I don't want to say I was scared, but I mean, she was acting pretty aggressive. So I don't know. Anyway, that's the damage. So the only thing that's not working on the car is the blind spot monitors. As you can see, it probably hits right there. And let me get you close. Look at this. It's terrible. So I put the tape on just so I could drive. And I've driven about 5,000 miles since it's been hit, to be honest. I drove it to Florida, and then I drove it to New York City, which is even crazier traffic than normal. Which is kind of crazy. But yeah. So she hit the back of my car, and to be honest, there were no brake marks. You could see this kind of some skids from me peeling out, but you could not see this girl brake, which was crazy. I'll probably upload a picture just so she can't sue me. But yeah, man, it was insane. So I'm really hoping that the next step here goes pretty well. And I just want to make a good decision. So please let me know, is this damage too much? Should I just get a new car? Should I get the 2014 CLS AMG 63? Should I get a G55, an M13K? Yeah, man. So please let me know. I've posted this on Facebook. I'll probably post this on Instagram too, but this is my first time on YouTube, and it'll be my first time on Instagram if I post on there. So please follow me everywhere if you can. And if you want to, I won't hit you up with any spam or anything. But yeah, man, appreciate it.